Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by placing your hands on the home row so you can reach all keys quickly. Once done, verify numlock if you will use the numeric pad for scores or ID. Make sure the cursor behaves as expected. Insert versus overwrite affects typing corrections. Practice the 4 navigation keys: Tab, Enter, Backspace, and arrow keys. They control form flow and answer selection. Start typing simple text to confirm key response and repeat short patterns to build speed and accuracy. Once the exam starts, use Tab and Shift plus Tab to move through fields without touching the mouse. Enter submits answers faster, so confirm visually before pressing it. Backspace fixes characters and ESC may cancel dialogues. Use arrow keys to navigate multiple choice options and spacebar to toggle checkboxes. This reduces misclicks. Maintain steady rhythm. Short bursts of typing, then a quick glance at the question to avoid transcription errors. Keep fingers relaxed to prevent fatigue and maintain accuracy under time pressure. To finish, systematically review each answer using Tab and arrow keys and press Enter only when you're certain. If keys are unresponsive, reseat the keyboard cable or switch USB ports or toggle wireless mode. Make sure to tell the proctor immediately so they can log the issue. If the system shows errors, capture any code or screenshot. This helps after the exam. Finally, confirm submission and watch for the receipt page. That verification is your proof the keyboard input was accepted.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.